In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest board from WooComerce product catalog. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Extensions. Now search and install Pinterest for WooComerce. Click on Marketing. Then on Pinterest. Then Getting Started. Connect your Pinterest business account. After successful connection, claim your website. Click on Start Verification. After verification, click on Continue. And then on Complete Setup. Now go to the Catalog section. And wait until Pinterest approves your feed. If the remote feed setup doesn't happen automatically, copy the feed file URL. Open your Pinterest account. Go to Bulk Create Pins in Settings. Then paste the copied URL in the RSS feed URL box. Create a board and save. Now you will see all the products in the created board. The product pin will look like this in the end. There you have it. Creating a Pinterest store from WooComerce product catalog is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.